Excellency Mr. Mikhail Murashko, Minister of Health of the Russian Federation, Excellency Mr. Eduardo Pazuello, Minister of Health of Brazil, Excellency Dr. Ma Xia Ovei, Minister of National Health Commission of China, Excellency Dr. Jewelini Lawrence Makije, Minister of Health of the South Africa, other esteemed dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen. Today we meet virtually after having experienced the greatest health-related challenge faced by the modern world and having portrayed great resilience against this COVID-19 pandemic. Before I proceed, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all the frontline workers, healthcare workforce, researchers, policy makers, and many others who made this journey possible with risk to their own lives. I believe we continue to become stronger as we gain greater awareness about emergency preparedness strategies in light of a global health crisis. I feel honored to be a part of this integral discourse about increasing global solidarity for ensuring health safety of all our citizens. BRICS represent some of the world's fastest growing economies and account for nearly 40% of the world's population, and thus have always had a great role to play in influencing the state of global health. These 5 nations, Brazil, the Russian Federation, India, China, and South Africa, have been working towards overcoming several common health challenges, concerns about communicable and non-communicable diseases, inequitable access to health services, rising healthcare costs, and now the COVID-19 pandemic. I believe that over the past few years, the BRICS nations have embarked upon a journey marked with substantial reforms that have helped us provide improved healthcare services, financial protection, and universal health coverage. Excellencies, this pandemic has demonstrated the vulnerability of humankind to exigencies, making us realize the vital need to further strengthen our healthcare systems. At the onset of pandemic and its spread in India, a rapid and robust institutional response was activated under the leadership of our visionary Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji. While the central government steered this movement with constant monitoring and evaluation, providing hand-holding support to the states to tackle this crisis holistically, our respective state governments also undertook various unique strategies to keep their response mechanism agile and vigilant. Our decentralized but unified mechanism to provide universal, accessible, equitable, and affordable health care to one and all was the driving force behind our unique response strategy for COVID-19. India's COVID-19 response approach was preemptive, proactive, and graded, starting with early screening and isolation of passengers, imposing lockdowns, and creating containment zones to prevent overburdening of health facilities and personnel, propagating behavior change as an integral move to contain the spread, and ultimately recognizing the imperative need for reopening of the economy in a phased, cautious, and responsible manner. India has curated its response keeping in mind the large population size. Several technological innovations were also leveraged in our pandemic management efforts. While applications such as Arogya Setu and Itihas facilitating rapid contact tracing and surveillance, the interactive and dynamic COVID India portal enabled real-time tracking and monitoring. The iGOT portal Integrated government online training was also launched as a training module for our frontline health workers. We worked round the clock to boost domestic production and expand our healthcare workforce, thus bridging major gaps in demand and supply of essentials such as testing kits, PPEs, ventilators, etc. Furthermore, an Atmanirbhar Bharat movement has now been launched to become self-sufficient in all our capabilities and capacities. Excellencies, our collective nations have had a rich history of successfully tackling various disease outbreaks in the past decades with an all-inclusive and equitable approach. And as emphasized in the BRICS UFA Declaration 2015, we have to proactively work towards enhancing our strategic partnership and systems of knowledge exchange, building successful collaborations on the basis of principles such as openness, solidarity, equality, and mutually beneficial cooperation. Excellencies, we need an aggressive roadmap and a strong show of solidarity to curtail any present and future risks threatening safety and well-being of millions of global citizens. There is also an impending need to share reliable and accurate data and any lessons drawn in the course of managing this pandemic to eliminate any threat of emerging disease outbreaks and ensuring equitable and inclusive access to healthcare for one and all. We have come quite far in the past few months, and I am confident that our respective nations will come out strong and resilient in the management of COVID-19 and any such outbreaks in the future. Looking forward to many fruitful collaborations with you all. Thank you.